Join me as I hunt for the absolute best PC build deals in 2024 and see if I can put together an awesome setup without breaking the bank. When it comes to finding the best PC build for 2024, it's all about getting the most bang for your buck. With the ever-changing landscape of technology, it can be tough to keep up with the latest and greatest, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype of new releases. But at the end of the day, what really matters is finding a build that meets your needs and fits your budget. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to select the right PC build is budget constraints. Let's face it, high-performance components can be pricey, and it's tough to know where to allocate your resources. Do you splurge on a top-of-the-line GPU or opt for a more affordable option? The choices can be overwhelming, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. Another hurdle people often face is keeping up with the rapid pace of technological advancements. It seems like every few months there's a new breakthrough in chip design or memory storage, and it can be hard to know what to prioritize. Do you go for the latest and greatest, or is last year's model still a viable option? Then of course there's the issue of compatibility. With so many different components on the market, it can be tough to ensure that everything works seamlessly together. Will that shiny new GPU work with your existing motherboard, or will you need to upgrade the whole system? All of these factors can make it tough to find the perfect PC build, but that's exactly what I'm here to help with. By exploring the different components and builds available in 2024, we can get a better sense of what's out there and what's worth your hard-earned cash. When it comes to CPUs, we've got some serious contenders this year. Intel's latest i9 chip is a beast, with clock speeds that will make your jaw drop, but AMD's Ryzen 9 is hot on its heels, offering incredible multi-thread performance at a lower price point. Then there's the GPU market, where NVIDIA's RTX 4080 is king, but AMD's RX 7900 XT is giving it a run for its money. But what about storage and memory? Do you opt for a blazing fast NVMe SSD, or do you go for a more affordable HDD? And what about RAM? Is 16 gigabytes enough, or do you need to stretch to 32 gigabytes or more? The choices are endless, and it can be overwhelming. After digging through the specs and benchmarks of countless PC builds, I think I've found the top contender for the best deal. Say hello to the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 and 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. This build offers incredible performance with frame rates in the hundreds and rendering times that will make your jaw drop. And the best part? It comes in at under $1,500, making it an absolute steal. But what really sets this build apart is its value. With a performance-to-price ratio that's unparalleled in the market, this build is the clear winner. You're getting top-tier performance without breaking the bank, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So there you have it, folks. The best PC build deal in 2024. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a reliable machine for everyday use, this build has got you covered. By making informed choices and doing your research, you can get an incredible PC without draining your wallet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the best PC builds out there. If you want to learn more about the latest tech trends and insights, be sure to check out our next video for more awesome content.